Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
Just one people, please.
Right this way. Here is your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of water and a soda, please.
Here is the menu. Do you need a few minutes to decide?
Yes, please. Thank you. Everything looks so delicious. What do you recommend?
Our chef's special today is creamy mushroom pasta and grilled chicken steak.
That sounds good. I'll have the noodles and salad.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Just a glass of orange juice for me.
I'll take a cold coffee. Perfect. Your order will be ready shortly. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you.
Here is your noodles and salad. Please be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. Wow, it looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything else.
Sure. Can I also get some extra napkins?
Absolutely. I'll bring them right away. How was the food, ma'am?
It was amazing. Very tasty and well cooked.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu now?
No, I'm full. Just bring the bill, please.
Right away, ma'am. Here's your bill. You can pay by cash or card.
Card, please.
All done, ma'am. Thank you for visiting the Spice Garden.
Thank you. The service was excellent.
It was our pleasure. Have a great day.
You too. Did you enjoy our conversation? Then give this video a thumbs up. For more fun and useful English dialogues, hit that subscribe button now. Your support means the world to us. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for joining us at the table today. See you in the next video.